Here's how to check if your router is bridge mode or router mode. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the TP-Link. Go ahead and put on the Chrome your configuration. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the TP-Link configuration. Put on your username and the password of the network of the router that you're currently using. And then afterwards, click on the login options. Once you're already signed into your TP-Link server, go to the system status and go ahead and copy the default gateway that you have. After copying the default gateway that you have, you can now go ahead and register it to a bridge mode to have a router mode. So as you can see, a modem router is an example of a router mode, while the third-party router is an example of a bridge mode. When you successfully connect it by using or registering your IP address, you will have a second ISP modem router that makes it a router mode.